Hey there, Jim Chapman, American Air Gunner. I'm out doing some hunts with the Ataman. As a matter of fact, in this video, I'm going to show you a few hunts I've done through the last about a year or so. I'm probably going to include some rabbit hunts, some squirrel hunts, some bird hunts, give you a flavor of the different areas, different ways I've used this gun. It's really performed well for me. The Ataman M2, this is their tactical model with the folding stock. Very easy gun to travel with. It breaks down, folds up into a small suitcase size carrying case, and you know, when you're a traveling hunter, you appreciate that. But I really like the gun. It's, besides being compact and easy to get around, it also is accurate. It hits hard, hits really hard. It's reliable, side lever action, really fast to cycle, all those things. So come along. Over the course of this video, we'll look at several different hunts. You'll get an idea of how the gun performed under a lot of different conditions.
This was a short hunt at a friend's farm one morning. I was scouting the woods before turkey season and thought I'd pack along a rifle for an end-of-season squirrel hunt. The compact little Ataman M2 performed perfectly. Accurate and powerful, I really appreciated the ergonomics and offhand shootability. My impression of this carbine as a squirrel gun, 2 thumbs up.
I'm at a feedlot in Central Texas. I'm going to do some pest control today. I'm using the Ataman M2, little folding stock PCP rifle, shooting .22 caliber. This gun's hard-hitting, accurate, multi-shot, reliable. It uses a 10-shot rotary magazine, and it really does the job. So I'm going to go out here. The reason I'm shooting the pigeons and Eurasian doves, twofold. Both of them are non-indigenous species, but more to the point that they cause a lot of damage here. Financial, they eat the grain, they foul the grain that they don't eat, and also they make a mess in the work areas where people have to go and work. So they're both a health and a safety risk. So I'm going to go out, remove as many as I can. This is going to be the gun that I'm doing it with, and let's go see how it functions.
I have a soft spot for compact hunting guns anyway, so long as they perform like a big gun, which the Ataman M2 does. But on this shoot I was constantly in and out of the truck, and the overall compactness of the gun and the short barrel made it easy to maneuver. The regulated valve optimizes the consistency and provides about 25 full power shots. That's a nice feature in a target-rich environment. My impression of the Ataman M2 as a pest control gun, again, 2 thumbs up. Well, here I am back in West Texas again. I'm out west of Odessa this time, and I'm waiting on the side of the highway. I'm going to meet up with my buddy Chacho. He's
been out working. He's coming down to meet me here, and we're going to go out and do some hunting down southwest of Odessa, and looking forward to it. Wind's really howling though. We'll have to see how it goes. You'll see when I get out. You'll hear it, but it's whipping along.
While in the Texas brush after rabbits, we hiked long distances through rough terrain, and I can tell you that I appreciated the lightweight of the M2. I had the buttstock extended, and the gun fit like a full-size rifle.
Okay. Ooh,
There's another one.
yeah, that's not the one that I had seen. I saw the other.
Stand here. There he is.
There he is. That's a good little gun, man. It shoots hard. You buck the wind good, man.
The Ataman M2 is a carbine that I shoot very well offhand, a definite plus in this environment where there are few natural rests, and quick shots offhand are the rule. Accurate, powerful, fast action, high shot count, reliable magazine, and a compact lightweight shooting platform? Oh yeah, this gun is a great little shooter for just about any small game hunting application I can think of.